What's up, y'all? We just pulled up into Bob Edith's restaurant. We about to get some breakfast, some of that good old French toast, chicken tenders. You know, I'm gonna wash it down with a glass of orange juice. So some beautiful weather out here today. In DC, we always like take forever to get spring here. So we got a fake spring, still a little cool and breezy out here. Got my son King with me, so we just out here about to get this breakfast, y'all. Got the Bob Edith's diner. Come on, let's go to the bathroom. Wash our hands. I think you can hum the song into Google. Fun done? We gotta try to hum it. Sing it. Hum fun done. Sing it. Hit the run done. Run done. Hit the run done. Run done. Hit the run done. I don't know if it's gonna be this one, Betty. Is it that one? I can't find it. What's up, everyone? Happy Sunday. Just doing another quick video. Gonna be making some breakfast. Gonna be making a smoothie, cleaning the house, just prepping for the week to get my mind clear so I can tackle the week effectively and get a lot of work done. So just setting up right now. We're gonna be doing blueberries, yogurt, banana, what else? We got the protein powder. You can see that. I wish I had some oatmeal. I like to pour oatmeal in my smoothies, but I don't have any, so we're just gonna work what I got. But bacon, eggs, waffles for the breakfast. Getting my protein in so I can hit the gym hard this week, trying to gain my muscle back. So yeah, there's that. As my breakfast, I'm about to chow down, but when I eat waffles or pancakes, you always gotta have butter flavored syrup, man. It ain't good if it ain't got the butter in it, you know. So that was my quick little filming session with the Osmo 3. Cool little camera, still trying to figure it out. Well, happy Sunday to y'all. If y'all watching this on a Sunday, be productive this week. Don't forget, level up, Kings. Talking to you.
Too close to me, close, too close to me.